welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will going to solve LeetCode question number 20, which is called valid parenthesis. This is the one of the most popular stack problem in LeetCode. It opens up here in coding interview. Let's go step by step and solve it in C++. The problem says we given an integer string s containing just a character this and determines if the input string is valid, and input string is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket, open brackets must be closed in the corrected order, every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So let's take an example. We input a string parenthesis. So output is true because every, as you can see, every opening bracket has the same type of closing bracket in its order. So let's take another example. We input a string, so output is false because every open bracket with the same type so does not match with the closing bracket. So we output is false. So in this problem statement, we use a simple approach using a stack to keep track of a brackets. Traverse the string character by character. If the character is an opening bracket, push it into the stack. If closing bracket, check the stack. If the stack is empty, return false. Otherwise, check if the top of the stack is correctly matching bracket. If it not return false, if it matches of the stack and the end, if the stack is empty, the string is valid. So let's write the code. First we declare a stack. After that we declare a for loop. Inside this for loop we check c is equal to the parenthesis. In this code very repeating, so I use copy paste. If st dot push it into the stack, else if stack is empty, return false. If c is equal to, sorry, and st dot top not equals to the, so simply I use copy paste. Return false. St pop. After that so we done the code is very big. So as you can see, every test case is passed and our code is successfully run. So we loop through the each character in a string. If It's an open bracket, we push it into the stack. If for closing bracket, we check two string. If the stack is empty, we return false. If the top of the stack is not matching the bracket, we return false. Otherwise, we pop the top element for the stack. After the loop, if stack is empty, which means all brackets were matched correctly, so we return true. Otherwise, we return false. So that's for this question. Thank you both for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.